Hey guys, Namaste, welcome to our YouTube channel, Tutor Pratik. Today we are here again with new updated video for how to switch back your YouTube layout to old classic version. As we have already one video how to switch back YouTube classic, but unfortunately that trick is not working anymore. But there is nothing to be worried, we have another updated trick to switch back your YouTube layout into old classical version layout. Before start this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel. Okay, let's start to our new updated trick. To revert back YouTube layout into classical old version, we have to go first our YouTube channel. Just click on your YouTube channel logo. Then we are redirected to our YouTube channel page. After then, just click on this customize channel button. After then, now click on this subscribers link. Hooray, you done. Now you are in the YouTube old classical layout version. Thanks for watching this video. We will come back again with new tricks and tips videos. Until that, take care. Goodbye.